Hey friends, got a special project today and I thought I wanted to do it with you. We're going to reorganize my little carding station here, especially that pegboard thing that is completely useless. I have nothing to organize with apart from some hooks, so I got some of these little drawer glass boxes to put my Angelina fibers mostly, and then some things. I have no idea how I'm going to organize this. I would like to maybe reorganize this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just need this space to be more useful because right now there's not a whole lot on here. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna take you along anyway. And I hope we can end up with a beautifully organized and possibly aesthetically pleasing setup here. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is where we are now. I did not film myself putting these up because I struggled very, very much. Turns out you really have to force them into this and it actually damages the board. So every single hooks on here has done a little bit of chipping on this, so that sucks. I'm sure it's gonna be very convenient, but to be honest, that is not worth your money. It's gonna damage your board, and if you want to put something else instead afterwards, it's gonna be just bleh. But now that they are on, I'm very happy to fill these out. These are gonna hold all of my, hopefully, all of my Angelina fibers. So they're easily accessible when I'm carding. Whereas before they were on here and I'm gonna be able to put more fibers into that cart. I'm losing my language today. Anyway, let's finish this up because I'm getting tired and extremely sweaty. I put some of my absolute favorite Angelina. Actually, this is Forest Blaze. Would you look at that? It's actually very full because I had quite a bit of that one. So let's see how satisfying that is. There you go. It's a little bit on the side, but that's okay. Voila!